In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Gmail to desktop. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer. This is where you'll begin your process of pinning Gmail to your desktop. On your screen, you will notice the browser interface, complete with your bookmarks and tabs. It is essential to use these browsers because they have the necessary features to create shortcuts. Once you have your browser up and running, you are ready to move to the next step. This will ensure that you are using a reliable platform to access Gmail, which is important for smooth functionality. Next, go to Gmail and sign in. You will see the familiar Gmail interface with your inbox, folders, and messages. If you are not already signed in, enter your email address and password. Once you log in, your emails will load and you can see all your important messages. Signing in allows you to access all your features and ensures that you create a shortcut that links directly to your account. This is crucial because it makes sure you can access your emails quickly and easily. Now click the three-dot menu, which is located in the top right corner of your browser. This menu is often referred to as the More Options menu. When you click on it, a drop-down will appear, revealing various options that you can choose from. This step is significant because it opens up the pathway to creating your shortcut. By accessing this menu, you will be able to find the tools needed to pin Gmail, making it more accessible right from your desktop. From there, if you are using Google Chrome, click on the option that says Cast and then select Save and Share. This option may seem a bit hidden, but it is important for creating your Gmail shortcut. As you navigate through these options, you will be setting the stage for the next step. Remember, taking a moment to ensure you are in the right place can save you time later on. Next up, click on Create Shortcut. A new dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is where the magic happens. You will now start to configure your Gmail shortcut. It is exciting to see how these simple steps lead to a more efficient workflow. You'll notice that the browser is allowing you to create a direct link to your inbox, which means you can access your emails without going through your browser each time. At this point, enter Gmail as the name for your shortcut. This is what will appear on your desktop, making it easily identifiable. Naming your shortcut clearly is important because it helps you quickly recognize it among other icons. You want to have a straightforward system when it comes to accessing your applications. This small detail contributes to a more organized workspace. After naming it, check the box that says Open as Window. This option is crucial because it ensures that when you click on the Gmail icon, it opens in its own window. This gives you a desktop application feel which can enhance your productivity. You will appreciate this feature as it allows you to multitask more efficiently without having to switch tabs constantly. Finally, click on Create. This action will finalize your shortcut, and in a moment, the Gmail shortcut will appear on your desktop. You will see a new icon that looks just like your Gmail logo. This is an exciting moment because you have successfully created a direct access point to your emails. Now you can open Gmail with just a double click, making your email management much more efficient. Once that is done, you will have everything set up. You can now quickly access your Gmail whenever you need it. Enjoy the convenience of having your emails just a click away, and feel free to explore other features that can enhance your productivity.